Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to convert your Figma designs into Android Studio step by step so you can turn your designs into functional app layouts quickly. First, open your Figma design. Make sure you have the screen or component you want to export ready. Then, open the Actions menu or press / and search for Figma to Code. If you don't have it installed, just follow the prompts to add the plugin. With the plugin open, select the component, frame, or screen you want to export. Be selective. Exporting only what you need makes it easier to manage later. Now, choose the HTML export option. HTML gives you readable markup and inline styles, which you can then adapt for Android XML or Jetpack Compose. Copy the generated HTML code. Then open Android Studio and go to the layout or file where you want to implement the design. You can paste the HTML as a reference and translate it line by line into Android XML or Compose components. Use it as a guide to recreate the layout accurately. This method gives you a fast starting point, bridging the gap between design and development. You can tweak components, add styles, or integrate them with your Android project seamlessly. And that's it. Your Figma designs are now ready for Android Studio. Like this video if it helped, subscribe for more tutorials, and comment if you have any questions or want more plugin tips.